Get excited about the 2014 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. Under the hood, you'll find a 6-cylinder engine with more than 270 horsepower. And for added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include cruise control, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, front fog lights, skid plates, and much more. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, integrated rollover protection, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.